Hello friends, how you can bypass iCloud lock in iPad 2, the big one, big iPad 2, not many. This method work in only iPad 2 big one. Okay guys, what you need to do, go to the website. This method credit goes to the Apple Tech 752. Download the tool from here. It's a completely free. You can just download it from here. Alright guys, af- let's see. After you finish download, there's a software on my desktop. You must extract you must connect to the iPad to the computer. You must have Windows 10. This software work in Windows 10. Alright, there's the software. You must bring your iPad to the activation screen, then connect to the USB cable. Okay guys, you can see the activation screen. You can see which iPad I'm bypassing. It's only can bypass this model of iPad, the big one. You cannot bypass smaller one. iPad mini you cannot bypass. Okay guys, how you can do it? Just connect the USB cable. Just it's simple. Go to the bypass iPad 2 and just click it. Let's go. There's it. Right guys, it's just in the blink. It's very simple guys. You see guys, uh, you cannot reboot this iPad after you bypass. Otherwise, if you reboot or your battery get drained, you have to do the process again, the same process with the one click. So you must make sure your tablet is always on. When its battery is drained, you must put in the charge quickly. Or you can there's a you must jailbreak this iPad. I will make a video how to jailbreak this iPad, and you must download safe shutdown tool. It's very easy. That that safe shutdown don't let your iPad to go battery dead completely. It will just safe shutdown. It will go on standby. Thank you for watching guys. I will bring another video very soon. Hope you stay stay home safe. Use mask, use sanitizer, and don't get infected. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Okay.